Supernova-style science news with Julie 7 Sage.
Science is a complicated mathematical process that takes years of study and research that requires hypotheses and equations. Or you can just throw two things together and see what happens. Wait, that doesn't work, does it? Sometimes it does, and sometimes you end up with a really cool discovery that you didn't know would work. That happened to Connor Boland, working in Jonathan Coleman's nanotechnology lab at Trinity College in Dublin, Ireland. He thought it'd be cool to see what happened if you put graphene, what is a very thin layer of graphite that you have in pencil lead, and Silly Putty, together. And what did he get besides gray Silly Putty? When he attached two wires to it, he got a highly sensitive pressure sensor that could even measure the steps of a spider that only weighed 20 milligrams. How did he do that? Well, he used graphene flakes that conduct electricity that are about 20 atomic layers thick and up to 800 nanometers long with traditional Silly Putty. He mixed them together to get the sensor he called g-putty. They think that the putty squeezes the graphene together to form a conducting network in the putty. When the pressure was released, the network separated, giving you a super nano-sized pressure switch. That's crazy! The first test they did was take a lump of it and put it up against someone's neck. They could detect the person's pulse. And even crazier, it was so accurate they can convert it to a blood pressure test. So now at hospitals, we might not have to wear those big cuffs. We can wear small things that have the g-putty on them. Another test they were going to do was compare the smaller spider that they tested earlier with a larger spider. But Mr. Boland had something to do, so he put the spiders together in one cage. And when he came back, the larger one had eaten the smaller one, so he couldn't do the test. So sometimes planning ahead and knowing how things work is helpful in science. But what he found with this g-putty could be a huge breakthrough. And who knows what you can get when you put two things together. You could get gold. There are challenges to make this a viable product, but I'll let you read up on that from the links below. So subscribe to this channel to keep getting great news. Watch some more videos, share some science with your friends, and show your supernova style.